Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to colorize your black and white photos with AI Image Colorizer. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and type ImgLarger.com into the address bar. Step 2. Log in into your AI Image Enlarger account to unlock its powerful capabilities. Step 3. Scroll down to discover the array of features AI Image Enlarger offers. Choose AI Image Colorizer to proceed. Step 4. You will be redirected to another website, but no need to create a new account. Just click Colorize and then upload images to select the image for enhancement. You can also drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Witness the magic. Click Start to initiate the transformation. Use the preview icon to compare the original and colorized images. Once satisfied, download the optimized image. I hope this tutorial empowers your photo colorization journey. Embrace the AI Image Enlarger experience and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. Until next time.